Here we go. Here we go. Good morning. Let's get that. So, welcome everyone to a new session. We're going to eat gold today. Ooh, very nice. Yeah, I saw a little gold trade before in the 5-minute time frame. However, it was a little bit early at 5:25. But I think it was pretty good. Right, okay, we'll sort it in. Wicked. So yeah, yesterday was okay. There's quite a lot of good gold trades, I thought, which was pretty nice on the 5-minute time frame. But the late moves came on at like around about 3:30. Yeah. That was quite a nice push up as well. Damn. Okay, so yeah, we'll get it into marking up over here. Let's just take a look at the weekly, how the weekly's looking. Yeah, we're still very bearish in gold. Overall, very bearish. Okay, daily time frame struggled to even retrace up a little bit. I thought maybe we'd retrace to like 1694. We couldn't even do that. So yeah, we're struggling really to get any sort of direction. Okay, 4-hour time frame over here. Let's take a look at the same thing. So looking like we have a very, very clear resistance and support. Okay, for the 4-hour time frame. So let's move this on. 4-hour has no top wick right now. Take a look at the hourly time frame. Yeah, rejected towards the end of Asian session. So if we take a look at the 30-minute time frame right now, it looks like we seem to have a 30-minute support. Let's take a look at the hourly time frames as well. Yeah, looking like it's hourly support as well. Let's take a look at the 15. So yeah, it's actually not too bad. I quite like this zone below this actually. So the 30-minute time frame has a support right here. Yeah, which is actually 1770. Okay, so I mean, sells below this level would be pretty nice. The 15 is a little bit choppy here, to be honest with you. But below, it's actually not too bad. It seems to move quite quickly in this area. So, yeah, potentially sells below. But then I really wanted to make this a little bit more accurate. So probably there, I think, yeah. I want to avoid this traffic to here in this 30-minute time frame. And then it'll be below the support and resistance here as well, so. Yeah, I think sells below 1668 would be rather nice. So let's move this up. $1668.3. There we go, there we go. Good morning, Mr. Bry.
How's it, are you?
Not too bad, not too bad. You had a good day yesterday, eh?
Yeah, I had a fun day yesterday. That
Very
was good.
nice. Good stuff. Yeah, it was good 5-minute trend lines yesterday, actually.
Yeah, and GJ did run, but it gave you partials first, and that was that.
Yeah, where was it? Just the closure above? Yeah? Oh,
Yeah.
yeah, there. Yeah, it's nice. 20 pips, eh?
Yeah, and I got a sell in the range. But also just got partials and then tapped me out.
Right here?
So GJ was let me check in my thing quick, I'll show you. GJ shorts. Let's just check the pick. 163.250, literally, like under a doji. It's on the 15. Let me just quickly find it myself, otherwise.
Oh, there.
Nah, it was more like, give me a sec, let me find it. It was right here.
Yeah, that's fair. A little bit of range trading there, easy stuff for a bank holiday, to be fair. Very nice.
Like I said, just again, it was just partials. Gold was fine, but GJ was partials yesterday.
Yeah, that's fair. That's fair enough. So yeah, we'll see. We'll see on Goldie. Looking like we are not too bad. I quite like this. I want to mirror that to the left hand side. 30-minute looks a little bit tougher though. Okay, so let's take a look at GJ as well. GJ should have a bit of volume today, considering yesterday was closed. So yeah, yesterday's daily candle didn't really do much, right? And then before that, on the Friday, we had such a big day where price just flew all the way down, which was quite nice. The 4-hour time frame, yeah, this whole clean candle was beautiful. So looking like we're retracing up, I do think that we should really retrace back up to these levels. Which, I kind of did that already in this one, back to 164, and then maybe come for some resistance to 4. That would be rather nice. So yeah, we could actually let's look at the 30-minute time frame. So yeah, I don't think I'm going to take buys above 163.881. I still think we're bearish. I do think we may be able to retrace back up to 164 and then maybe continue back down. But we kind of already done that for Asian, right? Asian kind of came up, rejected. So now we're starting to make it a little bit of support over here. So we'll see, man. Maybe a closure above 164 itself on the 30-minute would be okay to continue bullish here. And then maybe let's take a look on the lower time frames. And maybe all the OB players over here are going to be looking to take a trade here for a sell. I wonder if Ninja's looking for that. That's quite a nice one. 5-minute. Yeah, it's pretty nice. So yeah, I do think buys above there, then I'll start to
that area that you pointed out now, that Ninja might look at. It's good on the 1H. Because it's double top untested. So he might actually be looking at that because he'll be classified as liquidity, right?
Yeah, man, that's nice. Yeah, that looks good, And that zone from there to there is, yeah, it's big enough. It's 40 pips. Dollars and GJ buys. Oh, interesting. Just done streaming. Asian session today. There you go. GJ minus 6 pips. Fair. Yeah. None of the 4-hour or the hourly put me off the sells, I think. Yeah, so for sells on GJ, let's take a look at the hourly time frame, 30-minute time frame. Yeah, maybe below. The daily flip would be okay. Let's take a look at this. This is quite hard, man. It's just been ranging so hard, it's kind of hard to find the zones. Maybe back into this area would be okay. 163,500. It's quite hard to find, for the sells, to be honest. This is quite choppy. We have a support here, 163,660. We have another one. I'd say this was the resistance before, right? So I do think a closure back below 163,400 would be quite nice. I don't really like this area in here. It's a little bit chop central, if I'm honest. So maybe sells below there. So look at the hourly. How does that look? Yeah, it's just, yeah, that's quite nice in the hourly actually. Sells below 163,415. Very nice. So yeah, I think that could be quite good. Yeah, so we'll see how this does. We're looking like we're bringing some big volume over here. 30's blasting off. How is everyone in the YouTube chat? I hope you're doing well. What price is buying GJ in what time frame? What? You can buy GJ whenever you want, in any time frame. Let's take a look at the daily now. Yes, daily's broken the high of the previous. Looking like a good retracement is on the way. See how it reacts at 164. One question always comes to mind. Why ICT is not a billionaire trader? As an ICT, the fucking scamming thing. Swear it's the scammers. So looking like the 4-hour on gold is probably going to make a top wick. Yeah. Where are you looking for buys, Bri?
Kind of the same area actually.
Yeah.
I'm just a bit worried about. Obviously, I'll always be worried about a key level. So again, we've got Asian range highs, the key level, and I've got a zone, a resist, well, a supported 164, 0-12 resistance, so the same as yours. So kind of want to, you know, a clear break there if we don't get that soup. But if we get the break above, we've got a 20-ish, 23 pip range to get to that 1 hour double top, right? So yeah, above 164, I'll have a look to see what we get.
Yeah, it's a shame it's at 164, isn't it? But that's normally what happens.
It's a good target for price to go. It should go, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
So good. Let's go with price, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
23 pip range, we can get something out of that, hopefully.
Oh yeah. Jay's taking a trade yesterday.
He
got the GJ one.
He was like, we were chatting throughout the afternoon. So yeah, he did get 1 or 2. I think he got 1 or 2 in, yeah.
Very nice.
But I think he was off yesterday. He wasn't working.
Yeah. Was it a bank holiday in South Africa?
No.
Oh, hell no. Let's take a look at EJ as well, actually, because I've got EJs.
Were you hanging around at Buckingham Palace yesterday or what?
Fuck no. I was hanging out my ass yesterday. I went to bed at 7 a.m.
Shit.
Everyone was like, I saw in the chat, oh, I took a 5-minute gold train. Like, fuck, I wasn't even in bed then. I was still out.
I saw your IG story. I saw you on your laptop. I'm like, oh, there's like still evil in bed, man.
Yeah. Yeah, yesterday was tough. I was dying. I still went for it though. So, yeah, for EJ, looking like the daily, yeah, actually, looking like we're making some support. Let's take a look at the weekly now, because the weekly did close bearish, but it's got some good wicks that'll fill over here. So the 4-hour time frame is pushing up. It's already broken the high the previous, so it's like a little bit of a celery play on that. Let's take a look to the left hand side. Yeah, I quite like this mirroring up here. Would be quite nice for us. So yeah, I mean, an hourly closure above would be nice, or maybe even a 30-minute, to be honest. To then continue to 144 flat as well. Yeah. Needs to closure with Asian highs, and then that could be quite nice. Sells, this is choppy. I don't really like this for sells, to be honest. I called him Madagascar. Let's take a look today. Yeah, so for news as well, it's just CAD news later on. That's okay. That's okay. I like.
But that'll affect the dollar, eh?
Yeah, it will. It will a little bit. It will a little bit. Yeah, like 4.2% so far. That's not bad. Antarctica. So yeah, let's just take a look. Let's have some questions over here. Who took any trades yesterday in the YouTube squad? Who took any trades yesterday? And if so, what were they?
Ask Kine.
You are? Ask Kine. How do we access this? I'll show you. I'll give you a link. One second. There we go. Leave me alone. Brokey life is hard. Yeah, and I think I remember looking at last week as well. Last week, people, it was like 50% of people lost money last week, which I was quite intrigued by, because I thought last week was quite good. Last week was pretty good. So yeah, should be getting there to 164, and then we'll see how it reacts to there. Because realistically, here, this is just a break and retest, really. So it's just a little bit cautious of the buys. I need to see it hold it pretty nicely. Sell closure 1668.3. Yep, I think that's for me. That's where I want to take my sells. Oh, EJ's blasted off over here. Yeah, EJ's flying.
Good morning.
Good morning, Vince. How are you doing?
I'm doing well already. I have my target for today, so kind of thinking what I'm gonna do. Shall I trade some more or?
Did you trade GU?
Not today. I did dollar, Swiss franc, the euro AUD, and the AUD USD. So.
Very nice. And other what kind of entries were they? Were they OBs? Were they?
Oh, most of them were really quite simple, like flip of the hourly.
Oh wow.
So just quick in and out scalps.
Yeah.
The easier stuff, not like the stuff I did yesterday. Those GU trades yesterday, that was some advanced shit. But it was nice to see how it worked out. So.
Yeah.
It was, you've seen the chart. My runners took 100 pips in total. 3 trades. I took 4 trades, 1 went break even after I've taken profits. The other 3 kept running and they all gathered. Altogether was an extra 100 pips. So.
That's not bad at all.
Still can't complain.
Exactly. Can't complain.
Fly, Goldie, fly.
Ooh, fly, Goldie, fly. How did you get it, Mr. Ninja?
30 minutes.
Is this an OB here?
No, below. Yep, on the right.
Oh, yeah. I got on here and GJ as well. He's on the 15 as well. Yeah, that OB here.
It's alright, but could potentially push way past.
Do you think?
Simply because there's like other levels higher up. No, not like much higher up. For a deep pullback. It depends. If EJ lines up and then GJ is also at that zone, then it should be great.
Yeah, this EJ could be pretty good. 23 pips.
Yeah, I'm waiting for 144.2 area.
Yeah. It's a nice support formant as well. I like it. Yeah, we'll see how this 30-minute closes. If we can make a nice top-bottom wick, that'd be pretty good. Because there's a closure above Asian highs as well. It's got 20 pips to 144, which is good. Left-hand side is a little bit of it's not really the cleanest, but I'm hoping that we can mirror this kind of area here. I moved it quite quick there as well, actually. So we'll see. Where the fuck is my phone? Fuck, actually is my phone. No, I've lost it.
Probably.
It might be in the kitchen. Hold on a sec. Oh no, it's charging, I think. Yeah, it's charging. There we go. There we go. Okay, so yeah, 30 minutes just opening now, which is good to see. Let's take a look. GJ is also closed above, but it's pretty close to 164 already. Yeah. How much is a 50-minute time frame here? Hey, 14 pip stop, eh? Not too bad. I quite like this. It's very nice. So hopefully you can make a nice little lower wick. Maybe just come and tap 740. That'd be pretty good. That would be pretty nice. And then probably getting on the flip. Right. How should stop speed there? 680. And we can come to 144. Okay. Cool wicket. So let me just get this ready. I'd love the low wick to come to around about 750. That would be beautiful. If it breaks over here, then great. I mean, you could just go for it. I think you have enough volume to do that, to be honest with you. So yeah, we'll see. See the 4 hour? Yeah, the 4 hour doesn't look too bad either. I think it looks pretty good, man. So let's take a look over here. Live stream. More like a highly disabled three-legged baby alpaca. Oh my god. And there we go, GJ 164. Very nice. And Goldie's kind of a strong 30-minute. That's a bullish one. It's kind of engulfed all the previous ones as well, which is pretty nice. It's pretty good. Yeah, so that's 684. It's 16 pip stop. Very nice. So I'm gonna get in on the break at the high. 840. Stop loss is gonna be 680. It's like a 16 pip stop. I don't think that's too bad. What's the sound? Who's got in? Yeah, no, I heard it. Someone went bing. So yeah, I have a buy stop over here. Let me just do this. There we go. Because the closure above Asian highs, making the low wick now. It's a very, very strong engulfing 30-minute candle. Got a clean area all the way to 144.050. So it's it should be pretty good. Nice low wick now. So yeah, we'll let dude's thing. Tapped it to the T, 164. Very nice. Very nice. Cleanest area ever? Yeah, it's not gonna be too bad, I don't think. Nothing really too much to the left either. Which is good. Actually, just put TP2 on. That's it. Yeah. TP2 is 144. Very nice. So yeah, there's 4 minutes into this candle as well, so we've got a lot of time. It's made the low wick now. It's retapped the previous wicks, which I'm happy with. So yeah, when we start pushing off, if we start pushing off over here like 80, 90, 90, 900, then I'll move my stop loss to the low of the current probably. That is what I will do. Lot size at the moment on JPY pairs is half. Yeah. 60 pips isn't too bad. I've got like 60. Do. Look at GJ. GJ blasting off as well. Very nice. Very good, very nice. So yeah. I love how that little wick's tapped on there as well. That's beautiful. She's beautiful. Should start a stream. 18 likes, guys. Make sure to like a stream. We're in a little trade right now. Should be good to continue. Look at GJ as well. GJ's going, eh? GJ's going. Yeah, so right now GPY pairs are half risk so far this month. Just to give it that extra time, but right now price action is looking pretty good, so I'm pretty happy with it so far. So GJ, yeah, we'll have to see if it could break above. 4-hour time frame just touched it, so looking like we've already kind of passed above it anyway, which is quite nice. Let's take a look to the left. And GJ coming up as well, very nice. So yeah, coming towards that little OB area, which is like 10 pips or so. $10 pepperonis. Get 10 pips, Tom, and GJ. Very nice. Wait, Ninja, did you put your entry in the chat? Let's take a look.
That's Taylor's. Mine was a bit lower than that. I did post it.
There we go.
That 30 minute.
Yeah, nice. Very nice. I like. Oh, an EJ? Where did you get an EJ? The retest, yeah, nice. I was eyeing that up actually. Getting on the wick there, yeah, that's quite nice. Clean boy. Pretty clean. So 5 minutes left for this 15. Still got 5. Yeah. You still got 20 minutes left. Gold isn't really doing too much yet. Let's see if it's actually a trend line right now. For me, for buying trend line, right there. It's quite far away. So far, the trend line that I saw this morning, guys, is this one here. There. I don't know if you might not have got it because that didn't really retest. It was close, but it wasn't really 100% on it. Hovering around my entry so far. To the left hand side though, it should be good. It's clean. So yeah, we'll see on Goldie. This one's obviously finished. And right now, I do think the 4 hour, yeah, it's looking like it's pushing up. I think if we do break 1678, it should be quite a nice zone for actually buys. It'd be pretty solid. Pretty solid. Current account needs a year at 9. That's fine. It's ages away. It's way too bad. Where's Finny Boy today? Actually, I haven't heard Finny recently. Where is he? He's not in today. So yeah, this EJ is fucking around. Let's do look. 2 minutes left. If this candle closes a bit strongly bearish, then I'm probably gonna have to get out of here. Yes. Because then the suit may be on the card, especially if it closes below Asian. Especially if it does that. But yeah, looking like GJ's just blasted straight off it. I was thinking that's quite nice. Just broken above 164 straight away, which is good. That OB area though is going to be interesting. I wonder how far it pushes into there.
You'll probably see a reaction there, but I don't know about a big sell-off. I don't know. Could. Here's a good zone to sell off, but we'll see.
Yeah. It ain't too bad. I do think, to be fair, if this 15 closes above, the only issue is that it's... No, the zone's actually not too bad, actually, either. The zone ain't too bad. 28 pips. 18 pips stop. It's not too bad in GJ terms so far this year, to be honest. 18 pips. So, G's gonna close bullish, so I'm gonna leave it on. Yeah, I'm happy with my stop as well. Yeah, I'm still happy with it. You could say if it breaks that low, but I still think it's gonna continue. It's gonna give it a bit more room. That's how you could manage risk if you get a bit scared of it. And I will put my stop loss to there once we start breaking maybe that high. The 30-minute time frame still looks good. 15 minutes left until 8 o'clock. The GJ is about to flip and break the high here. And maybe to continue further into this zone. Should fill that zone up pretty nicely soon. EJ doesn't have the greatest volume right now. 5-minute time frame is a little bit sus. I think eventually it'll still pop there. It's got a good magnet to 144 as well. Trying to think where else you'd want buys actually, because this area here is a little bit choppy, to be honest. A little bit chop central. Move EJ stops to previous 15. Yeah, I'm gonna have to. Gonna have to pretty soon. 770. That's not too bad. Move stop loss to 143.772. Yeah, so it's a pretty decent stop now. It's like 7 pips. Two massive 50-minute candles prior to you triggering, ensure you know price rests majority of the time. And not with volume. Just right now we're not pushing. Especially with the closure above Asia. Yeah. So, I mean, how long we got left? Yeah, 10 minutes till the open. 10 minutes till the open. I think I might get out of break even here. Yeah, I'm gonna get out, okay. Once it gets to break even, if it does get back out to break even, because it's getting quite close to the hourly, and I know the hourly's gonna have to make a little wick, so we'll see. If it come back to my entry, I'm probably gonna go break even. If we ever get there. I really wanted this push toward before 8 o'clock, to be honest with you. You didn't enter GA because of big stop loss. Yeah, and also we haven't closed above. Actually, no, we did in the 15. Yeah, I think for me, I kind of want this 30 to close above there. Yeah. Yeah. Don't think it'll come back to entry point until it got out. Nice work. Yeah, imagine risky at like 2 pips is pretty good. I might just do that. Yeah, I'm gonna manage here. So I got out at right here, so 82. Beautiful. Yeah, so I got out here, minus 2 pips. I wanted the push. I still think this could potentially work, but it's fucking around. The 5 minute looks sus as hell. I wanted the drive before 8 o'clock. EJ minus 2 pips. So I'll wait until the hourly opens because the hourly is going to make a lower wick, and that was the thing that I'm kind of worried about. Also, if this 50-minute time frame closes bearish back in, then it's going to be soup. So yeah. We didn't get the push we wanted. 1 second. But minus 2 pips ain't too bad. Savvy, it's been annoying now. I bet on the wrong horse. Should have done GJ instead. Yeah, but GJ, I mean, GJ doesn't really make any sense because it didn't close above 164. The only thing that closed above was a 15. You would have lost that. So, I mean, maybe Asian highs there. Maybe. Stop loss was how big here? Yeah, 15 pips. It's not too bad. But then the zone to the next resistance is only 8 pips, so it's not the best. It's not the best. Yeah, I wish I got the retest now. Thinking of it, yeah. Did you get 10 there? Yeah, nice. Perfecto. Then the 5 minutes seem to just fucking range here, the volume just disintegrated. So when the volume, you know, cuts off completely and it's just sitting there, you know, it's gonna go 50-50 chance, right? So there's no point in doing it, just get out. There's not enough volume. And also when it gets closer and closer to the hourly closing, it's just gonna make a lower wick. So yeah. Will you re-enter? Yeah, we'll see. We'll see how the low wick does. The only issue is that if it closes below this, then it could be for the sells. Same thing as GJ over here. Yeah, Brian, you watching GJ? Interesting.
I am.
Projecting our zone pretty well, eh?
You're already in on the 5 minute break in the previous low. 4.2 pips. So just have a look. See if I can catch it a bit early.
Yeah.
It comes back to break even, I'll just close the thing.
Yeah, that's fair. So if that hourly makes a top wick. Finally a channel not forcing to sub to ask a question. Thanks for subscribing now. Oh yes. Did people do that? Really? You have to subscribe to ask a question? Nah, fuck that. Hell no.
I think I saw Luke Traders London is now back on London live streams, or he did, but he was always sporadic. He was whenever he felt like.
Yeah, he randomly does it. Randomly does it.
Yeah.
Yeah, interesting, right? Interesting, because now it's coming back. We could actually make some support here. Like this could tap and then rinse back up because it's just coming to the support. But if it closes below, man, could be interesting.
goes above, I'm fine. Like just above.
Yeah. Oh, look at that.
Yeah.
Holding it. So this EJ may work now, but I don't care, man. I take my 2 pips any day. It was fucking around. We only got up as well. Yeah, 3 pips. It wasn't enough to manage there, to be honest. But managing a risk on putting your stop loss there was pretty good. And yeah, once you start seeing candles like that, it's just going either one way or the other. Then you just gotta hop out. There's no point. It just saves you some money. It's funny though, after such a bullish engulfing, it just goes nope. I even got a 5-minute trend line from like down here.
No, I had my previous one, which is it closed below it, so I took a sell.
Was that this morning? Because I saw this one this morning. That one closed below it here. That was at 5:25. That was fucking early.
So on my terminal, I have a trend line that starts at the wick from 60.71, and then it touched another wick at 62.31, and then it when it came up here, it closed below, made the move, and then came up, and then the 5-minute never closed above the trend line. It closed below it. So, and the next 5 minutes closed like a doji, also below the trend line.
Yeah.
And when the next one broke the low of the previous of the doji, I took a sell.
Yeah.
So I've taken 10 pips already.
Nice. Very nice.
Yeah. So I took the buy from the OB area, came to the trend line, closed, and then waited for a rejection and took the sell.
Nice. That's a good thing, yeah, they go in tandem, those two strategies, because you get the OB and then you come to the trend line and just take this fucking opposite one. It's good shit. Yeah, it works out nicely. W risk management, yeah, thank you very much, man. That's what you got to do, man. Look, so like you would have lost that now, and you would have lost like 8 pips rather than lost 2. Just for closing out, man. Just for clicking that X button. Saves you a world of good time. Max, can you re-enter? We'll have to see, man, because if this closes back below Asian, it isn't going to look too good for the buys, to be honest. To be honest with you. Same with GJ, it's kind of closing on the support and not really below it, so it's kind of hard to find out if you can hold it on or not. Did you get a break even, Bri?
Yeah, I closed it.
So how's this hourly going to close in Goldie? Yeah, Goldie isn't looking the the nicest in terms of where to take trades in like 30 and 15 minutes. It's a little bit tricky. Nice break and retest there. Probably just cut down to 1668 maybe to the hourly. 4 hours got a top wick now as well, which is pretty good. Damn! EJ just flipped all the way back. Look at that 5-minute, man. Fucking horrendous.
Horrible when you get in like that.
Yep.
Fuck. You could do literally nothing about it. I mean, what the fuck is that, man?
As long as you know it, as long as you just don't give it hope, you can just get out. I think that's the difference, right? You know, If I was younger there, I'd have been like, oh no, but it's gonna go one way, and I'm just gonna hope it's gonna go this way, and then, you know, it's just guessing, right? There's no point. So big volume coming in over here. EJ's probably gonna do what I want it to do, but it just took fucking ages. We'll see. Let's take a look at GJ. Where was the closure? Closed below?
Yeah.
30-minute also closed below. Interesting. How much did your stops be here? 17 pips. Interesting. Interesting. It's right at 164, which is a little bit tough. Yeah. What's this? Nah, it's good. It's been good recently, Joe. I tell you, it's been pretty good. Last week was nice. Some good trades. This 30-minute close bearish on Goldie. If this makes a top wick and breaks the low, it could be quite nice to continue down, actually. Which is what it's doing right now. Under this 30-minute time frame. Yeah, interesting. Let's take a look at EJ and GJ. Yeah, so GJ is coming back up. Let's take a look at the hourly. So the hourly's, yeah, it's got a wick to fill as well.
Ninja here. Ninja.
Yo.
GJ 4 hour. Is that too big of an OB for you?
But I mean, yeah,
this
this whole area is fine, but if I was to refine, I would go to that H1 right at the top.
Fair.
Then I would wait for a nice confirmation entry. Like, I wouldn't just set a limit or anything like that.
Yeah.
It's a good zone, but the only issue is it's too obvious. Like, I don't like the really obvious order blocks. That just seem like anyone could just look at it and be like, oh yeah, that's a nice one, let's take so.
But easy to just take it, right?
Yeah, I don't like
easy.
those ones. I like it to be in a tricky area, but you do also see it. Like, you know, those types. I don't like the really obvious ones.
Yeah, that's a good point, to be fair. It looks too good to be true.
Yeah.
Exactly.
GJ's just fucking launched back. I did think, 164.
Yeah, and it like closed on it, right?
Yeah, it wasn't strong enough. If that candle was like, you know, further down, like here.
But now you'll have guys buying it because there's so much time on the candle.
Yeah. And there we go. EJ looking like it's gonna work now, but I wanted it to do this fucking 15 minutes ago.
Yeah.
But the volume brought it in at 8 o'clock. Should continue now to 144. 144. Anyone going to take this gold? Or anyone in this gold? One issue is the hourly closed bullish. The 30s made resistance at where the previous was as well. How much does stops be? 20 pips. 15-minute engulf the previous. This should drive down. 4 hour as well. I don't know if I like the hourly. No bottom wick on 30-minute on EJ. Yeah, let's take a look at my chart. Yeah, there's no bottom wick. It's just London volume, man. Pushed it up. It's bullish, man. You know, one little bearish candle ain't gonna do shit. It's still bullish. Yeah, you get a break in its own low. It hasn't pushed down yet though, as Unica's also concerned. It's 4 minutes in, we haven't done really anything yet. It's made the top wick though, so yeah, I think that'll be pretty good, man. 20 pip stop, you could get this current break, current low. 15-minute stop loss. Did it tap Asian as well? Yeah, it's not bad, it's not bad. Interesting. What do you think about this Goldie, Bri, or anyone trading Goldie?
I was busy watching GJ here, but what did you want to see?
Well, I quite like the 30-minute bearish closure here. It's a bit like a head and shoulders right at this point. If we re-break this current low to continue back down, the 4 hour will be pushing back to 1668. My only issue for it is that the hourly closed bullish.
And Ninja's in a buy.
And Ninja's in a buy.
Pull out.
If it makes a top wick here though and then rejects, I think it'll be quite nice. We'll see how it comes up to this high. If it breaks that high, then obviously it's goosed.
Of
Like
course,
that.
Ninja's in it. Oh, flip.
Nah, that's just trading view.
All right. About to say.
Yeah, trading view does that shit.
Yeah, that scares me. Hate that.
So the hourly's filled the wick. Very nice. Gotta stop breaking the low. Nice, yeah. Look at the 30. It's gonna be breaking that 30 high soon. Soon. Sammy, I couldn't care less, bro. I managed risk. I wanted to push. Yeah. Go and annoy someone else. Thank you very much. So yeah, I mean, wow, straight into this area. Is it tapped that area right now? Yeah, 225. Not too bad. Not too bad. Could probably continue and fill the zone. Maybe we'll have to see though. I'm quite intrigued to see this OB area. See what happens. See the score.
Well, that on the one edge was the last break in structure, right?
Mm-hmm.
So I think it's a good area.
Yeah. Something you can see into the future. God. Took a trade on EJ, wasn't very sure about it, but worked out. Let's take a look. Very nice. So then body the candle. Yeah, beautiful. Stop was pretty safe as well. Was this no, it was just before 8 o'clock open, yeah. Very nice. DC and GG buys, very nice. Yeah, I think the GJ buys. Is there any rebreaks, celery plays? It's okay.
Celery.
Yeah. We got 10 pips. With the London volume, stop loss was below the current low there. 18 pip stop. It's quite a lot, yeah. Quite heavy duty. I think this trade here there was the nicest one. This break of this high.
Yeah, but it's just so close to the key level,
and
it's such, like you start putting shit in your own mind. You know what I mean?
Yeah, that's what happens, man. It was very close to 164, but I mean, all you can do is when it gets there, you just go break even, right?
Yeah.
You just go break even.
I tried the Black Ted on GJ.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, and I had it start. Let me take these away. I had it start from 164.450.
Mm-hmm.
And then it has a touch at It has a touch at. Second touch is at 63.946.
63.946.
To the right.
To the right, to the right, to the right.
Yeah.
So it goes from, let it be like this. It goes from there, and then to there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Very nice.
Yeah.
A nice retest of it as well.
Yeah, so I took an entry when the candle closed above, and then pushed down, retested, and my entry is at 63.933. I'm up 30 pips at the moment.
Nice.
I've just noticed something on GJ Daily. I'm not a fan of trend lines, but if you were to draw a big trend line on the daily, you can kind of see what's just happened.
On the daily.
Yeah, so you know how we had that whole big wedge that we were in?
Yeah.
So if you draw it from the top.
All the way to the top.
Yeah, from that one.
This one.
Left.
That.
Yeah, that one, yeah.
Yeah.
I think break and retest.
Yeah. Very true.
So that's why that H4 might not hold up, because we might have a deep retracement all the way up. Or this could just be pushing bullish now and create a new high after retesting that trend line.
Yeah. They came and retested it, closed bullish back above the trend line.
Yep, so now you would expect to break that high.
Yeah, that's nice. Very nice. Looks out nicely. Let's take a look. Goldie isn't pushing up as much as I thought it would for London Open, but the hourly's broken the previous high. So let's see then. Let's see this. Even though it's a bit of an obvious OB, I just want to watch it. It'd be interesting to see. I think it's too bullish though, to be honest. But a retest back to 164 would be interesting. Interessante. Yeah, let's take a look at EJ as well. Yeah, EJ's kind of rejecting too. A little bit of rejection. Potentially, yeah, because the 4 hour time frame is already broken above, so realistically we should just continue bullish here. We should just continue bullish. Goldie over here is rejecting. Stop loss is a little bit big, and it's already broken the high, which kind of sucks. A little bit. Could have potential entry and break the 15 low on Goldie. Yeah. How long left for this 15? There's 30 seconds left. Oh, don't break the low straight away. It'd be a little annoying. So yeah, closed bearish on the 15, big rejection over here. Yeah, I mean maybe getting in. You could have just got in on the break there, but I just something about that how we haven't broke it already just kind of puts me off. We'll see this top wick. We'll see, we'll see, we'll see. Yeah, it's also came and tapped. GA's also came and tapped the 4-hour res, so it may have a little bit of trouble right there. Got a nice sat entry at the very top of that rejection wick, up 17 pips and break even now. Ooh, nice. On gold? On Goldie? Hey, I tell you what, that OB would have worked a little bit. If you got in like here. Is that like a 1 minute candle? First 1 minute bearish, take a sell. How far did it go down? Nah, not a lot actually. Yeah. Not too much. EJ's rejected. Wow, yeah, maybe EJ sells soon. Because we should have really... Did it come to 164? 144? Yeah, pretty close to it. This closes back below. Shit. Could be good. Yeah, this Goldie... For me, when the 5 minutes start doing stuff like this, I'm not too happy with it yet. But it's 2.5 minutes left for this 5 minute. If you do flip this candle, we should probably continue down now. And after that 30's closed, 15's closed, yeah. What? I close full, can't afford to hope for more. Looking high in the chat.
Yeah, but that's good. Well
yeah,
done,
it's good. Good shit, good lad. That's what we like to see. Yeah, that celery wasn't too bad actually. The 8 o'clock wasn't too bad. Yeah, this gold, interesting. It clearly likes to bounce off 1673. My days. We're gonna sell stop on gold again, breaking the lows. Yeah, I think that'll be good now. Thank you, Kenza. You're still goat shit in my eyes. How much would you stop you there? Oh, 25 pips. Yeah, it's getting quite big. The issue as well is right on that fucking 4-hour flip. It doesn't seem to know what direction it wants to go in, yeah. Yeah, exactly, Craig. That's what I like about waiting for top wicks and bottom wicks. Let's take a look. So yeah, we'll see. Looking like GJ probably still gonna continue in this area. Still gonna continue. GJ and maybe Goldie also. Shit. EJ is probably the one that I'm going to look for the sells, to be honest. But the only issue is this area is a little bit choppy. But yeah, we'll see. So we've got 39 minutes left for the candle to close as well on an hourly. But yeah, I think potentially the trade of the morning was the break of that high.
the celery.
Yeah. But it was an 18 fucking pip stop. Did it go if 10 pips and then shrink a little bit? No, I went to 15. Yeah, that's not too bad.
Yeah.
And that's at 250 level. Yeah, that's not too bad.
Also, Max, with these like really higher time frame OBs, it really depends on how price gets there. So does it just retrace normally, or does it take out liquidity? Like, it really, I don't know how to explain it, because you have to understand how liquidity works in terms of, like, you know, double tops and double bottoms. Like below that H1 or M30 OB, if you had like a double top and price is pushing bearish, and then later on we had a drive through up into that 30-minute, then I would consider it, because that's double top liquidity taken. But right now it hasn't. It's just been coming up to it. There's not really any it's not taking out anything.
Yeah.
It's not taking out any early sellers or anything like that.
Yeah.
Buyers. So that's why it really depends on how price gets there and why.
Yeah, true.
That's just too. It's just too obvious. Just a bearish engulfing candle pushed by an impulsive move.
Yeah.
It's too obvious.
Yeah. True that. Yeah, looking like Goldie's gonna come back up. Yeah, Goldie didn't really do much today, but I mean, yesterday was pretty beefy. Yeah, it's actually moved quite a lot through the start of pre-London, like the really early times, and Asian session. Did anyone watch the Queen's funeral? I didn't really watch a lot of it, but I watched a little bit.
Too busy trading, boy.
Vincent. Too busy trading. No time for the Queen, fuck that.
Yeah.
I just know nothing was open yesterday, man. Hello, Sasha.
Matter, man.
Yeah.
Good to
Guys will
find
move.
in.
So
Exactly. How was your weekend, Sasha? Was it messy?
Yeah, it was good, mate. Good laugh.
Yeah, mine was a
Nice,
good
man.
laugh until I got home at 7 a.m.
Oh, the dangerous one. Oh,
Yeah.
it's not pretty, is it? You see the sunrise and the birds chirping, you're like, fuck, can you get me to bed?
Yeah, it was annoying. Look at that fucking some guy. Look at this. Just been added to a fucking group. Oh my god, what the fuck is this? Report and spam and leave. I have to do that every day. It's so fucking annoying.
What a lie.
The pain in the ass. Have you taken anything this morning, Sash?
No, man, I literally just got off. I just finished now, so I just got back. I got back early today, so it's alright.
Yeah, that's not bad.
Some days I get home at like 9:30, but it's just way too late to start. But today I got back quite early, so it's not too bad.
Yeah, not too bad. You've got 10 pips there. Oh, nearly. Yeah, I tried an EJ buy before, and it fucked around for ages, so I just got out -2 pips. The 5-minute time frame was painful, as you can see. I got out like there, which I was pretty happy with. Especially before it comes to like the 8 o'clock candle. If you're getting like 5 minutes, if you're still in a trade and it's got 5 minutes left until like the hourly's gonna open, especially the London Open on like these pairs, man, it's just gonna fucking range until then it's just gonna pop one way. So Goldie flipping the daily, but you can see we haven't really done much in terms of like direction on gold because we're right next to the daily and the 4-hour flip. So we need to stop pushing away and then we should be good. Then we should be good. Let's take a look here. Goldie giving me 1 to 5. Oh, nice. To be fair, is there any other 5-minute trend line you could have taken there? Yeah.
Do you see what happened on the 5 minute in gold?
Well, right now.
So-
Or
Yep. So if you go down a bit, just to the left side.
Mhm.
No, where you are. You see how this broke structure to the upside? So we had lower lows and lower highs.
Mhm.
You see that 5 minute engulfing? Yep, there. Yeah, that one.
there.
That broke structure to the
Yeah.
left side. You see?
Yeah.
So now price came down, tapped into it to continue bullish.
Mhm.
So it broke the high. You see it on the left side? That. Yep, there. So it broke that.
Yeah.
So now that's possibly a change of trend.
Yeah. And
So
look
now
what
it's come and retested 5 minute OB, and now it's push bullish.
Wait, is that a 5 minute OB? Or
That
one?
technically is, but it broke it. So now, yeah, so there we would look at that now for a
Yeah,
retest.
Yeah, that's nice. Nah, it makes sense. It's pretty simple, isn't it? It's just higher highs, higher lows. When it breaks one, wait to retest back at the levels.
Exactly. Yeah.
So this is the change.
Yep.
There's a retest. Yeah.
There we go.
Yeah. Makes sense. Like it. Yeah. What does the daily and the 4 hour flip mean? It's when the flip of that time frame changes, right? So 4 hour flip is here. I'm on the 4 hour time frame right now. So if we come past this level, we'll turn this candle from white to blue, whatever color that is. Not to blue, sorry. From white to red. It just means you can see the higher time frames on the lower time frames. So now look, I'm on the 50-minute time frame. I know that if we pass this level, the daily is going to flip bullish. Okay, when you got the daily's going to flip bullish. It just shows that it always puts in your head exactly what the higher time frames are doing, because it's best to keep them on your side, really. Yeah. What do you think about buys above Bri? It's a little bit choppy. I don't really like the price action above it, but hopefully with the volume, it could be nice later on.
It would have to get above that area.
Yeah.
Especially on the daily or the FOREX, it has to go above that. Yeah,
Some sort of retracement as well, fuck.
Yeah.
It's so high now.
Yeah. Oh, yes. Too much so far. So I think the only real one, I mean, my trade there, I liked it. Bullish engulfing on a 30-minute. Managing risk, I think, for me there was perfect. The break of the high after 8 o'clock you could have taken. The celery play, but I was focusing on the EJ at the time. The celery play and the break of that high was actually not too bad. And the gold, well, there's a nice little OB that we talked about there. Is there any other trades you could have taken? That's pretty much... Oh, and then the celery play, which is like 5.25 this morning. That was also not too bad. Mark, no ways a waste of money. Ah, is that the royal family stuff? Yeah. I don't really care too much about it, to be honest. I kind of just let it be. But a lot of people went out for it, so... Hello, Finny boy.
Going on?
How you doing?
Ah, not too bad. Yourself?
Yeah, not too bad. How was your weekend? Is it
Busy.
busy?
Yeah?
Yeah, man, it was rammed. Busy being hungover.
Of course you do. Call you Sachin soon.
Hey, shut the fuck up.
Oh, he's here.
Yeah.
Look at that. DJ. Oh,
Yeah.
sorry.
Yeah, the celery play there was pretty nice. I was fucking looking at EJ.
Where's that? Oh, yeah, I see. Sorry.
Yeah.
How was the stop?
It's quite big. That's another thing. Yeah, it's like 19, 18 pips.
Ooh, yeah.
Yeah. That's the only thing really that you could have seen today. I mean, anything on the 5?
Gonna run off.
Yeah. It's gonna get hit our level at 380 here. I was saying, like, the issue you have up here is this price action here is fucking shit, so you don't know how it's gonna really behave up there. Max, I took an onion play on that GJ. Stop loss hit. All tears just make you cry. Wait, what? You took an onion play. Where's the onion play here? Onion play support forming. There isn't any support forming. The only onion play that I see is here. Price going down, making some support. Send me a chart. Onion make you cry. This is fucking loud. So yeah, there we go. EJ tapped 144. It's what I wanted. This is what I expected the hourly to do. Just fucking took its time when I was in the trade, but I think it was good managing there. -2 pips. Just to look at the daily now on GJ. Yeah, the daily doesn't look too bad. I mean, there's nothing really there. I mean, there's a little bit of level there that's it's tapped into before, made some supports. That could be a little bit trouble. But for later on, I mean, yes, we know that this is going to be maybe a little bit of a rough area because of the way prices moved. But that's when I think at the end of that week we had not much volume. Whereas I think here we could be okay if we have enough volume today to take them trades later on. Right, I'm gonna quickly go to the toilet. I'm gonna watch this Goldie. Looking like we're rejecting it again for like the fucking 10th time. Holy shit! Look at the 15-minute. Look at the 5s. Damn, that's a bearish candle. That wouldn't really be a celery, even though like in theory terms, yeah, breaking low. But this is closed way too bullish. And it's kind of got no. 4 hours reflipped again. Hourly time frame also. 11 minutes left. Yeah, watch this candle close. I think it's if it breaks that low, we really should continue down. Especially how it's rejected fucking 4 times, but it doesn't seem to like pushing below that level very well. Right, be 2 minutes.
Anyone else done a new update on their iPhone? Absolute horse.
There's nothing wrong with it.
What?
It's shit.
I hate how the maps and all that's changed.
I haven't even checked the
Shits
maps.
me.
1 sec.
iPhone is shit.
Relax.
What did you just say,
iPhone is
Baldy?
sick.
Fucking iPhone is shit.
Oh, of course, you've got one of those stupid fucking shit phones.
I don't care about a phone actually. Yeah. Not
Yeah.
too worried about what a phone is to me.
That right?
Yeah, phone is something to drop, and you don't want to spend a lot
I've
of
got
money on
I've got
stuff
Apple
you
TV,
drop.
but that's the only Apple product I got.
How can you do any business without a phone?
I've got a phone.
Yeah, and the fact that you don't spend $1,200 on it makes you a good businessman.
Yeah, exactly.
That's how I see it.
You're literally
Fucking
paying off
phone.
an iPhone.
Yeah.
Right.
It's a bloody fucking phone. It needs to ring and it needs to have a little bit of a GPS, and that's it.
Yeah.
That's how I look at it. That's why I don't.
I can't. It doesn't warrant the money to spend on them.
No. Same here. Yeah, if people want to do that, okay. That's a reason. Because sometimes people, oh, why don't you have like an iPhone, or what's the other one, the very expensive, the counterpart? Yeah, I have no idea. I should say, why should I spend $700 or $800 on a phone, or even more, when the only thing I do is check my email, use the GPS once in a while, and I use it to text and to call. That's basic. So, how do I need all the other stuff for?
What's this about Finn being a 2000 baby? Like listening to my dad. What the fuck? What happened then?
No.
Did I miss? I'm confused.
Hey, Sasha, you're calling me only man. You're fucking right, too. I'm the dad in here.
Oh shit.
That's why I'm the one with the house and no mortgage.
Yeah.
Yes. Living cushy up there.
Because I don't spend money on usual shit.
You just got your fishing rod to get your food every day. I always just picture Vince just like, you know, he takes his fucking trades, goes outside, gets his little bucket and his fishing rod, goes on his boat, fishes his food, cooks it for the family, then goes and like fucking skins a bear.
How sick is that?
Yeah, it's sick.
On some days it's like that, but we do have
and not one iPhone was taken with.
Yeah. Zero iPhones.
You know what the problem is? You make jokes like you don't want to spend money on that, but you old farts just don't know how to use them.
You'd be surprised, boy.
Oh, we know how to use money.
Yeah. Don't forget, we grew up whilst all those technologies were developing.
Yeah.
That makes us weapons if we want to. We just don't give a shit.
Please.
I got that new social media app. I like it much more than the other ones actually. It's called Be Real.
Rumble.
It's called
Be Real, yeah, I got that.
Yeah,
Be Real's funny, man.
I added Rumble so that I can see Andrew Tate.
Now Be Real's good. Be Real's good because normally you just like obviously on Instagram you just see like all of the what's it called, like people having like, you know, the good times, you know, trying to show, or like not trying to show up, you know, they're not gonna post like, you know, what they actually do in their day normally. They just post the best bits. Whereas this one you have to take a picture to see everyone else's in the day, like just you, and you have to do it like there and then. So now you see like, oh wow, everyone else is just like sitting and just working all day. Okay, I don't feel as bad as like what Instagram shows where everyone's on fucking holidays every 10 seconds and stuff. So it's pretty good. Like I'm scrolling through it now and like everyone's just fucking in their bed, like just fucking doing work and shit. It's like, okay, my life doesn't suck. I'm not in fucking Miami flying around everywhere, and yeah, it's quite good. I like it. It's more like real. So it's called Be Real.
A whole problem with those mainstream social media stuff. Everybody pretends to be someone they're not.
Yeah.
It's like they're almost ashamed to say, I have to work to eat. I mean, there's nothing wrong with it.
I think Caitlin's a bit like that. Like she'll watch like people on YouTube, of like just these girls just like vlogging their lives. I'm like, why the fuck would you care what they're doing? Like I just can't.
No.
I sit there and I have to listen to them. Like, okay, and this needs to come off. Like, but like, and yeah, and like, you know, my belly really hurts today, and I've just got a sandwich from Pret, and like, you know, I'm eating it and stuff. Like, why the fuck would I care? Why the fuck would I care about this?
You need a counter-offensive. You just take a picture or film every dump you take and share it.
Yeah.
Like that.
It says that I could spend 8 hours a day on TikTok.
No, but like TikTok's like, no, but like for example, but then she'll be like, oh, like Max, like, why are you watching this like thing of like a bunch of lads like fucking around? Like, well, because it's funny. Like, this is good. Whereas you're literally listening to some bitch talk about a fucking day. Why don't you just have a good day instead? Like, and you're like, oh, look, and we've done this, and I'm just gonna go shopping now, and I've bought this pair of clothes, and I like it, but actually I don't know if it fits me. I'm like, why the fuck do you care? But like, all the girls are watching it. I think it's because people like to watch a life that they want to have. and they kind of like, you know, that's where they get their. But I'm like, why don't you just fucking do it yourself?
Yeah, go buy that expensive sandwich.
Yeah,
Pay your bills.
yeah, go spend fucking 20 quid in a stupid. Man, do you know what I've realized, man? You know, Costa and like Starbucks and stuff. Holy shit, they're fucking expensive, bro.
Sugar coffee.
I never go me like sometimes Kaden quite likes the like the sandwiches they're doing there. What the fuck? 4 quid for a sandwich?
Fuck that.
It's a fucking 4 quid for a sandwich. Like, Kaden, get yourself to Tesco, get a meal deal.
It's just a sandwich.
Well, it's just 4 quid, and then obviously if you get a drink with that, which you're gonna get, it's like 10 quid to just go for a fucking drink and a sandwich. Like 10 quid.
Minimum wage is fucking like £9 something.
Yeah, that's like an hour of someone's fucking minimum wage just to get a fucking sandwich and a drink. My God, and then they don't pay any tax on it either.
And the worst thing is, you know, you can make it better at home in like 20 minutes.
Yeah. Oh, I think Brian, I need some help with a pan I want to buy. I see everyone on TikTok making like pasta and like Italian dishes in like a pot, and it's like stainless steel. I want one of them that look fucking mint. And apparently, like, why do people use them more than like a non-stick?
See, the thing is, a stainless steel pan, you have to make non-stick first before you use it.
Yeah. I knew that.
So that will last you much longer, and it will actually be non-stick if you do that process properly. Someone says check.
Do that woks, innit? Same
the woks you like you burn it for ages and stuff. Yeah.
You burn it with salt, then it changes color.
Yeah, it changes like back, doesn't it?
I like the brand Scan Pan. I don't know if you have it.
What the fuck?
Scan Pan, like when you scan a barcode.
Oh yeah.
Scan Pan is for me one of the best pans.
Ooh, Scan Pan.
But just the stainless steel.
Made in Denmark. Very nice. Now I've got these non-stick ones. I want like a nice. No,
but they will have a stainless steel range.
Yeah. Like, and then we're gonna like olive oil in it.
I don't know if you get Le Creuset. They will also have stainless steel range. But don't buy like a Gordon Ramsay pot or a Jamie Oliver pot. Please stay away from that shit, honestly.
Yeah.
They made us do a thing at school called Jamie's Ministry of Food.
Fuck Jamie.
Fucking
idiot.
Jamie Oliver's fucking restaurants all failed. They were shit. I went to a couple of them and they're fucking garbage.
Yeah.
Yeah, they all shut down. I mean, how many do you have open at one time? There's loads. Like every single like city in the UK, and all of them closed pretty much. Pretty sure he doesn't have that many anymore. Because like I think what he realizes, the name only goes far. The name only goes for one visit, and then after one visit, if it's shit, they ain't coming back.
The only one that's still got like over 50 restaurants is Gordon.
Yeah. Gordon does it right. Like his grand's good, right? I've been to some of his.
Who's that oak that owns Duck? Heston Blumenthal. Restaurant was good. Yeah. His restaurant's very good.
Gordon Ramsay's a bad motherfucker.
Yeah. He's sick. I like him, me. You know, see the videos of him like learning how to cook with his like head chef, and he's like sitting there quietly. He's like, yes chef, and he's like being a fucking like the bitch to his fucking chef guy, and now he's like shouting at everyone. I love it.
I worked with him at Channel 4 in the UK. He's really chilled. Yeah, he's really chilled. That's all for screen.
Yeah.
Really,
I've met him.
Yeah, same. I worked with him, mate.
Yeah, that's sick.
He's really chilled.
Yeah, I like Gordon. So 50 minutes left of this hourly. Yeah, it's broken the low now on gold. I'm just thinking of in terms of clean areas, and there isn't one, right? And on 30-minute and hourly areas, I just want clean zones. It's where the big monster trades come. Monster. Yeah, let's just go through Raj's trade yesterday, because I actually quite liked it as well. Where was it? I think I was rather asleep at this time, or maybe coming in from the night out. Where the fuck was it? Was it on gold? Oh, yeah, it wasn't gold. It was on the 30 minutes.
Big boogie night you had.
Wait, you out last night?
No, I wasn't out last night. Was that the night before?
Sunday night.
But it went until 7 a.m. yesterday. Yeah. Wait, where the fuck was it? Oh, there. Yeah. The celery play on the 30th.
Yeah, the celery. Yeah.
Yeah, that was tight. Why was it also nice as well? Just think about it in terms of what we've always talked about. Why was it also nice? Clean traffic. Take a look to the left. Look at that clean candle. Every single time we come in this area, just take a look at the past candles. Nice candle, nice candle, nice candles. You know, it's always pushed. So this is when you got to start to, and this is, you know, what we're focusing on right now is holding that motherfucker on, because this candle here, if you know it does this, then what's the point in closing like there? You know it's gonna push that whole area. So close there. Yeah, on Saturday I did a lot of back testing on that, so I'm gonna go through it quite a lot. Just holding them on when you get a clean zone, just hold on. If it hits your stop, you know, tough shit. But for the most part, when it runs, it's gonna give you 50 pips. If not, it's gonna, you know, minus 15. And then like when it comes to like there, you just go break even. Let's take a look and see how much it fucked around at that time. Did it? No, straight away, straight down. Nice. So it got to round about 27 pips, then retraced all the way back up. So yeah, you gotta be able to trust that and not be like, oh my god, I'm up 27 pips and now it's gonna be up only like 10 or 8. Oh shit. Okay, just let it run a little bit. Oh mate, do you know what I did in uni for that? I fucking scammed Pret for like 4 months. It was great. When they first introduced it was actually 20 quid a month. When they first introduced that, I kept on setting up emails, and they did, for some fucking retarded reason, they didn't think of that. They didn't think, you know, people are just gonna make new emails every month and then get 1 week, because you got 1 month for free. So man, I had fucking 10 emails and I just got fucking Pret. I had a Pret for like 10 months. It was great. And then they caught on. You know, if you're coding an app or like a subscription thing, that's one of the first things that would come into my head. Like, oh, we need to put a thing on so like, you know, it's one IP address, or you know, it's pretty basic fucking coding stuff.
You should really build yourself an app for Stop Loss Matters.
Yeah.
A project, you know what I mean?
Well, that's what I'm trying to do. That's what I'm doing with my dad.
Cool.
Yeah, that's what I'm kind of doing with my dad. Learning how to build. That's literally exactly what they're doing. So I'm kind of just watching it, but it's a big process building all that shit. Oh my god. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Let's take a look. Was it logical to buy for a wick fill on GJ on the 1 hour? Well, for me, you know, it looked like it did, right? Yeah, because, you know, it's clearly done it. But the issue you have really on the hourly time frame is that it didn't close above. So, like, not really. Like, I wouldn't like that, because the support is here. We've closed below. This could easily reject. However, if you take a look at the 15, when it broke that high, that was a good example, because we've breaking the high of the previous with good volume at 8 o'clock to come in and fill the range. So that was the trade. But it was 18, 19 pip stop, so it was a little bit large. God, that price action on EJ is pretty shit, eh?
Don't say.
Pretty crap. How much would it be in the break there? 32 pips, yeah, that's way too much. I got 46 pips on gold cells yesterday, nice, yeah. Yeah, so that was one of the trades, and Raja also got into this one as well. He just took a sell here. Which makes sense, it's a nice zone, just closed below. Didn't wait for a top wick, he just went straight balls deep. What time was it? 7 o'clock? Yeah, I mean, it's early on, right? So there's not going to be a... the reason why, and this is quite a good example, actually. We normally wait for a top wick. Is normally in volume time, right? That's a good quote. In volume time, it can make quite a big top wick, right? And it could be quite, you know, a sweaty ball. You don't really want that. But look what time you got in. 7 o'clock. That's not really sweaty ball time, is it? It's not fucking launching up, not making a massive top wick and then, you know, nuking down. Obviously it did, but 7 o'clock on average doesn't have loads of volume. So just taking the sell there when you know that he stops 20 pips is, you know, you're Gucci, right? So I see that one. But like if this is 1 a.m., then man, you'd have to wait for the top wick a little bit, maybe to like 1668.5 there. But I can see it like 7 o'clock there. It's not too bad.
He just contradicts himself a bit too much for me.
Yeah.
Like he's a volume trader and then a closure and then not a volume trader and then just impulses most of the time. He doesn't have it. He doesn't have a setup. He's an impulse trader. That every trade he takes is impulse. Every trade we take actually is impulse. But some of us we will still use a setup. You know what I mean?
Well, because I think I think what happens is he's made a strategy or whatever to keep you. You know when you like learn to have to ride a bike, you've got your little fucking stabilizers on, right? You have a couple of rules to keep you in check, right? So like the 1 to 2 trades, the managing risk, all that kind of stuff. But for the most part now, he's done it for so long, and he doesn't need these rules because he's so comfortable. Fair. So he's took his stabilizers off, and all he fucking does is looks at the left hand side and finds the cleanest zones, and then he'll take an impulse here because he knows the left's clean. You'll just take whatever's clean, like wherever the zones are clean. Like here, he took that one. You'll just look for the clean zones. You don't need any, if all you got to do is target the clean zones, you're going to get some nice, you're either going to get 50 pips or you're going to lose 15. You know what I mean? So it's kind of just going through that. Every single trade that Raja takes now is pretty self-explanatory, the ones that he takes in terms of clean zones to the left. It's just where the left's clean. You don't think he just sees the setup in his own eyes? Yeah, he sees the setup. But I'm saying he sees the setup from the clean candles, because every trade he puts on his story, you go look to the left. Oh my god, it was a clean candle before.
You would need to see the setup in his own eyes, right?
Well, yeah, exactly. And it's not like and if you also see where he closes, there was a couple trades he took yesterday where we closed the exact same time. I think one further before, maybe 2 weeks ago. And where he closes is just obvious. Where's he going to close here? Well, he's probably going to close right there, right? Or he's going to close here because there's support. There's a little bit of traffic in those areas. There's the 2 TPs, but never like there, which he would have done back in the day on stream, because you just know that's going to ride that whole way, really. So yeah, we'll start this little simulation. We'll finish that gold one. Did you have a look at that August, right?
Nah, not yet, mate.
Yeah, I'm gonna ask. I really want to ask Jace to do it, just to give Jace. I'm gonna message him today.
You're gonna message him.
Yeah, I'm gonna message him. Just say, have a go at this. See what you think. See what you get for the month.
I don't have the soft FOREX on my thing.
Oh, you don't? Fuck.
Nah.
Just download that shit, man. Sim today? Yeah, we'll do sim today. Yep. We'll probably finish off that August of gold, and then we'll go and do some like GJ sims next. Yeah, get them blasted off. Little GJ sims. Anyone else see Haaland again? My days. Oh, my fantasy football. Wait, are you still looking for positions or calling it a 1 second. I think there's going to be no other setups for London session. Yeah, man. I think it's done its move. The only entry really was here. Yeah, I think we're pretty much done for London now. Yeah. Really wanted this fucking buy, but it just messed around so long. Yeah, my fantasy. I forgot to change my fantasy football league. I was fucking pissed right off. I had a 30-point lead, and now he's right next to me. Fucking bullshit. Forgot to change these. How much? Actually, I'm 9 ahead. Okay, that's not too bad. But look, he did a wild card. He had all of them on. Fuck, that's good as well. Yeah, I think I might leave it off over here, guys. There's nothing too much anymore for the London session. We'll wait until NY. We'll continue NY. We'll do the simulation session in 5 minutes. Did you watch the funeral? I watched a couple of bits of it. To be honest with you, what I was watching the fucking horses. The horses going wild at the back. My God, like all of the like soldiers were on the horses and they couldn't control them because they were just walking so slowly. The people in front of them, and they were like, "Do this." Oh my God. I'd be sweating my gooch off. Imagine on live TV, everyone's watching your horse. God, fucking imagine if it starts bucking. Oh my God, I feel like madness. Hi Max, are you voting gold for FOMC ahead? No, I'm just waiting for gold to give me some options and I'll take it. FOMC, where is it, tomorrow? Nah, I'm probably going to take something there at 7 o'clock, to be honest. Yeah, maybe a little gold buy or sell. Stops. That's what I like, to be honest. Max, when he crowns you as king. So yeah, we'll leave it off over here, guys. Thank you so much for coming on. One little risk managed trade, -2 pips. Pretty happy with that. I did go to TP after, but my God, it took a while and it would have stopped me out. So yeah, bad price action on EJ, unfortunately, this morning. But apart from that, pretty happy with it. So yeah, we'll see you guys later on, and we'll start the simulation session in like 5 minutes, guys. Peace out, man. See you later, Zoom.
See you later.
See you in 5 minutes if you want to come to the sim. See you in a bit. Adios, amigos. Yeah, thank you very much, YouTube. If you guys, 1 second, let's do that. If you guys do want to join the simulation, we had like 10 people join over this week, and you know, kind of introducing them to how it works, the simulation sessions, the homeworks, all that live stream stuff. So make sure to come and join the mentorship if you want to. I'll put the link there to come and join. It takes 2 seconds to sign up, and you can literally join the sim straight away. And yeah, we'll see you guys later on, guys. Peace out, squad. Adios, amigos. See you guys tomorrow. Make sure before you leave, like the stream. And yeah, we'll be back tomorrow. Peace out.